Oh, he's lovely, isn't he?
Maddie.
Are you wearing look at the lions then.
What?
He's just looking at Jan.
What? I'm filming.
Oh, wow.
Come here, I'll show you.
He has all his big teeth.
Want to see the lions, William?
There's a king and there's a species.
They're so big.